Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, our viewers across the world. This is Igcse, the Maths and Science Guru. In this video, I'm going to explain the blast furnace, the equations that occur in the blast furnace, right? So, three raw materials are used in the blast furnace. Remember, the blast furnace purpose is to purify iron. So, iron, the main ore of iron is hematite, which is iron 3 oxide. And then we have carbon, we also have coke as a raw material, and we also have limestone as a raw material as well, right? Limestone, calcium carbonate. So what you need to understand are the reactions that occur in the various regions of the blast furnace. Precisely at the top of the furnace, you have carbon combining with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. And the next reaction that occurs, you have carbon dioxide reacting with more coke to produce carbon monoxide. Okay, right? That's the second reaction that occurs. So at the middle of the blast furnace now, you have indirect reduction of iron ore by carbon monoxide. You have the hematite reacting with carbon monoxide to produce iron plus carbon dioxide. To balance this equation, we put a 3, a 2, and a 3 that side. And then the next reaction that occurs is that you have the hematite reacting with carbon to produce iron plus carbon dioxide. So at this stage, we have produced our iron. We have successfully reduced iron 3 oxide by the removal of oxygen. So the next part now is the removal of impurities. Remember, you have limestone, so you have calcium carbonate decomposing in the presence of heat to produce calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide, the thermal decomposition of a carbonate. And then you have calcium oxide reacting with the silica impurities to produce calcium silicate, popularly known as slag. So the iron that is produced at this stage is called cast iron or pig iron. It proceeds further into what is called the basic oxygen furnace, where there is what is called the oxygen lens process. We blow oxygen, and then impurities like phosphorus and sulfur will vaporize and as gaseous oxides, hence improving the purity levels for iron. So ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, this is Igcse, your host. So if you need physical lessons, right, you contact this number. If you want online lessons, you contact this number as well. Icho chibaba chapedza bhora chakananganisa zvinhu asi mafanis chakurwa pasi.